Hello guys! Sideline muna kami ngayon. Nandito kami ngayon sa istiraha. Kasi yung nakatuka dito, nasa bakasyon. So kami muna ang humalili. Habang di kami ganun ka-busy. So ganun kaming tatlo guys, sama-sama. Nagtutulong-tulungan para mabilis matapos. Diba? Hinihingal ako guys. Galing ako nag-vacuum. Tagaktak yung aking pawis. Oh, di ba? Ganito kasi pag ang 3-in-1 kadama, guys. Walang utos ng amo to ha, hindi kami natusan, nagkusa kami kasi nga sobrang alikabok. Andito kami sa bahay, okasyonan. So, malay mo, mag-iid na. Baka mapansin kami ng mudir. Mabigyan kami ng hadiah. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. Shout out sa iyo, Sir Salam. Hadiah is weaving, inshallah. So, ganito kami kasipag. Masipag kami, guys. Akala nyo lang sayaw lang ang alam namin. Hindi Lilinis kami. Gaya nito. Wala yung aming madam, so linis kami. Nagkukusa kami dito. Sobrang alikabok kasi. Ilang linggo nang hindi nalinisan kasi nga nasa bakasyon si kabayan. So, hi Halima.
Hi. How are you?
You
Hi
come.
guys.
You come in the nearest so that your body see them. Look at her hair. Curly hair. She's open.
Guys, you're doing good? Me is good.
I feel dizzy.
You're dizzy? That this
hot.
and the machine it's down.
Yeah, it's down now. The filter now, it's dirty. You need to wash, clean.
It stopped working.
No, it's still working. The other one, guys, is there.
Hi guys, good morning guys. It's a morning in the Philippines, it's a night.
Night.
Okay. Good evening guys. Hope you are doing well. We are here. Work hand to hand so that we make the entire press clean. This press is too big. It has a gym. This one down. It's too big. Oh my god. Maybe even tomorrow we will look up. But so far here it's now clean. We have cleaned it.
Yeah. We are here in the second floor, guys. So we have basement, we have third